This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome to Kumar Consulting. So guys, here in this session, I will just explain how to install SAP in your laptop or desktop. Guys, the procedure is very easy. You have to spend few minutes. So just stay with me. See the process. I'll explain one by one. So now guys, whatever this installation is going to happen, this is going to support all Windows, whether you're having Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista XP, whatever it is, need not to worry, it is going to work out for every Windows. And what is happening guys, what we have to install? So first of all, let's suppose if you have to log in, then you must be having this login pad on your desktop. Okay, you must be having login pad on this on your desktop, and then only you will be able to log in. So this login pad we are going to install. How to install? So you have to see further processes. So I'll explain one by one how to install this one. Now, so guys, if you are my student, in the sense if you are the student of Kumar Consulting, then you'll be receiving this kind of mail. Okay, this mail consists of this GUI download link. GUI means graphic user interface. It means like whatever this login pad I have set the second name, and the name of this login pad is GUI. So how we are going to what is it? First of all, you have to install. You have to download this. There is a file that need to be downloaded. So how you are going to get? So look at here in the mail itself. I have given this link. Okay, if you're not the student of Kumar Consulting, it means if you're not my student and if you're watching this video directly on YouTube, then this link already I have given in this video. Like look at the downside of this video, in description box this link will be given, so you have to click on that link, the same link I have given in the description box. So you have to click on that link. So first of all, you need to click on this link, and then whatever these details I have given, that I'll explain later. First of all, you just need to click on this link. So once you click guys, let's have a look here. So a new what to say window is tab is going to open here. Your screen has opened here. So just wait for a second. Now look at here. So you just need to click on download here. Again, another screen is open. So do not read out these all virus scan or something. Nothing is there, guys. Don't worry. You just need to click on download anyway. So once you click on download anyway, then what will happen, guys? A file is going to be a zip file. Look at here is going to be downloaded. So file size is, look at here, almost 1+ GB. So it may take some time. It depends upon the speed of your internet, guys. For some people, it can be downloaded within 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 2 minutes, or even sometime half an hour also. And if you're going to use like mobile internet and that internet speed is slow, then it may take 45 minutes also, 50 minutes also. So it depends upon the speed of your internet. So we'll have to wait some time. So meanwhile, what I do, because still it is 174, almost 200 MB itself, right? So I'll just pause the video. Once this download is complete, then I'll simply, so okay.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, so welcome back. Now look at here. So now the installation is completed. Look at here at left corner bottom. So now this is like okay. So download is completed. You need to open it. Just open it once. Taking some time. Just wait, guys. Okay. Now you just need to do one thing, guys. Double click on this folder and then double click on press 1. Okay, and first of all, you need to know the file location also, where it is, downloaded and all. Now, then you double click on GUI, then double click on Windows, and then double click on Win32, right? Now, you just look at here, guys. First of all, it is there where it's there in downloads here, and in that I have opened this one, then press 1, then GUI, then Windows, then Win32. So here you just need to click on Setup All and right click here, right click and then click on Open. So once you click on Open, guys, look at here, Extract All. You need to click on Extract All. Now it is asking now what is happening, another folder is going to be downloaded, so it is asking like where it is going to be, in the sense file locations. Simply you click on browse and keep desktop, just keep your desktop, okay, and you can make it okay. Or else on desktop, if you want to keep it in a new folder, then also you can create a new folder also, and you can keep it here. Here you will be having options, make a new folder. I'll simply just keep it on desktop itself. So click on extract. Look at here. So the file is going to be extracted where? On desktop. So just wait for a moment. Look at here, the file size is like heavy, so it's taking time. So now we'll have to wait. So once again, I'll because it's going to take might be 2-3 minutes, so I'll pause this video so that the video will not be more lengthy and longer. I'll pause, and once this extraction is completed, then I'll again resume the recording. So let me pause the video.
This conference will now be recorded.
So now, guys, it's done. Okay, just now completed. I'll just come on the desktop. Look at here. This is what the folder is. Okay, it got extracted. Now double click on this folder, open this folder first, and again the same process. Double click on press 1, then again double click on GUI, again double click on window, double click on Win32, and then here we are having setup all. So now you double click on setup all second time. I'm talking about extracted file. Okay, now here you'll be getting I don't think it's visible in the video, but once you double click, a small pop-up message will appear. Do you want to follow, do you want to allow this program to make changes? You need to click on yes. Okay, click on yes, and then let's have a look. Okay, so look at here, guys, the installation started. So click on next. Okay, here multiple selections, things are there, like which one need to be selected and which one need to be deselected. Don't look at those things, and also simply click on select all. Look at here, click on select all, and then click on next. Again click on next. Again click on next. Okay, every time some changes are happening here, but you keep on clicking on next, again next, again next. Now just wait. Look at here, the installation started. So it may take some time again. So we'll just wait. We'll see. So still 0%. So look at here, guys. Bit slow. It depends upon your PC or laptop also. Depends upon the RAM and everything. But anyway, here for installing this, what to say, SAP and all, whatever your on RAM size or hard disk size is there, so it doesn't matter. Even if you're having the minimum RAM also, it's going to support, it's going to work out. There won't be any issues, and even less hard disk size is also there. It is going to work out because this is online server, guys. So storage will not be there in your system. It is going to be stored at a different location. It means like whatever the data are going to be, whatever configurations you are going to do the job storing, whatever storage there, it's not there in your laptop. Okay, so you are not to worry about this. This is online server. So now look at here, 17% done, still going on. So just wait until it is, or else like you can forward this video and you can, once it is like till 90%, 99% or 100% once it is done, from there onwards you can watch the video. So still 18% itself will have to wait. So still 32% itself, guys. I'll just do one thing, then I'll pause this video once again, and once it is completed, then averaging.
This conference will now be recorded.
So, guys, now this is completed. Look at here, the installation of SAP product completed successfully. So you just need to click on close button. So now what is happening, guys? Installation is done. What we have to do? So now just come on the desktop. Okay. So look at here. Now this is your login pad. This is your login pad. Apart from this, if you want to keep this folder for future purpose, you can keep it, or else anyway this whatever this download link is there, it's already there on my video and all. So if you want to delete, even you can delete also. There is no use of this folder, so you can delete it. There is no issues. Or else you can create a separate folder, guys, and you can keep it over there. Okay, you can create a separate folder, you can keep it over there. So now what we have to do here, you need to double click on this folder. Okay, double click. So now this is going to open, and then a further setting, small setting we need to do, and then you'll be able to log in. So let it be open here. Now double click here. So here what is happening, guys? Now look at here. This is how it's going to be. So now what is happening, guys? When you guys are going to do, generally this is already, I'll just do one thing, guys. So for you guys, what is happening? It will be like this. Let me delete all these things. Okay. So anyway, for you guys, it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. So now what you need to do, you need to click on new. Here you need to click. And which setting, guys? So here already you look at here. So now the details already, server details I have given here, descriptions and all, everything you have to give. So open here and click on new. Here you need to click, and then you need to click on next button. And then here descriptions you can give, guys. So any descriptions can be given here, like let's suppose I'm going to give SAP. Okay, application server. So what is the application server, guys? Look at the application server I have given. So even you can copy or you can type manually. So if you are going to copy, guys, here from mail, then make sure that there should not be any space. Okay, sometimes what happens, people just double click on here and it's going to copy, but one space extra has taken place. Then also system is going to throw error. So just copy and here I have pasted. This is what the server, application server number. And then what next, guys? The next one is instance number. Then we are having system ID. So instance number is 39 and system ID EH7. So here you need to give 39. Then here you need to give EH7. That's it. This is what the server details. Okay, this is what the server details, guys. This is my server details which I have given here. Server details may vary, depends upon people to people, multiple people are there in the market who is providing this server access, and also everybody will have like different this application server details and all. So don't worry. Now, so these are the details you have to give, and then you need to click on next, and then again you need to click on next. Okay, and then you need to click on finish, 2 times next, and then click on finish. Now look at here, guys. This is appearing. So what next, guys? Simply double click. Once you double click on this one, then what is happening? The next window is going to open, and here you need to give your login ID and password. Where is the login ID, guys? So look at here, login ID in your mail already I have sent here, right? So you need to use this login ID here, test user. Let's suppose this is a temporary user ID I have created, guys. When whoever my students are there, so for you people, like you can check your mail, and in that different login ID will be there. So you can use your login ID and password. This is the test user. I have created a temporary login ID. So after this, it is going to be deleted. Okay. So use this user ID and then the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have given over there in the mail. Press enter. So now look at here. Now this is one-time password, whatever I have given. So now you need to change your password. Whatever password you want to keep, you can keep your desired password. So that password only you know. No one knows apart from you. Only you know this password. So I'm going to change the password. Okay. I'll change the password here and press enter. Now press enter. That's it. So now look at here. Now I'm able to log in. Now I'm able to log in. So whenever you have to log in, I'll log out once again. Now whenever you have to log in, you need to double click on login pad. Here you need to click on your login ID, sorry, SAP, and then you can give your user ID here and then give your password, whatever password you have changed just now. So you'll be able to log in. So guys, whatever user ID I have given, don't try with this user ID. As I told you that in your mailbox, you'll be having the way I have given here. This is a test user. In your mailbox, different user ID will be there. So server details will be as it is. Now the user ID will be different. Okay, so you have to use that user ID, and whatever password I have specified over there, you have to use that user ID and that password. Okay, this user ID is not going to work out. Don't apply this user ID. And if you are not the student of Kumar Consulting, if you are not my student, if you're watching this video, so here with this, what is happening, you'll be able to install the login pad and on. And user ID, guys, you need to procure, you need to purchase it from somewhere. It's not only like multiple people are there in the market, you can buy it from anywhere. Even you can buy it from me also. So for that, okay. So look at here, my WhatsApp number is there, my contact number is there. This is my contact number. So in case if you have to purchase this user ID, you can contact me, or there's multiple other people are also there, guys, because I'm not like a seller of this user ID and all. Since I have taken server access for my students, since I'm a trainer, I provide training for FICO module. So that's what. So like if you need the access from me, or even other people are also there in the market, you can contact anybody and you can buy this user ID, guys. Once you have the user ID, you can be able to log in into SAP. So that's all, guys. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.